1914 carousel here.
That was made the year my grandma was born.
Wow. Yeah, this is a 110-year-old carousel. Pretty cool. Let's go. And it's a restored 1914 carousel. All the animals are horses, except for a bench. The two benches are like 1-seater, 1.5 seaters. There's some information about it. We'll have to check it out. Restored in 2000. Wow. So yeah, back in the day, like carousels went fast, didn't they, huh? They weren't about that BS.
Yeah,
they were about that life. Yeah, I mean bigger, but fast, just like it. Whoa, yeah. Yeah, oh yeah. That's how you ride it. Nice.